Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. It's your girl Food-Farrell. Today I'm going to be making green juice. I know you're thinking, oh, this is not going to taste good. Don't knock it till you try it. So I'll go through the steps with you today and show you how I do it, how I prepare it. It is something that is practiced in our lives. We drink it all the time, we work out and all that good stuff. So follow me on my journey today as we juice it up. Okay, so these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need a green apple. After all, it's green juice, lime. You're going to need ginger. I know, it looks like a lot of ginger, eh? You're going to need some greens, which I'm using spinach. You're going to need some, usually I use cilantro. I have parsley today. Cucumbers and celery. Those are what the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my green juice today. So first, you're going to have to wash all of that up. I will start with a lime. Let's give it a little wash. Everything. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the spinach. Because what you could do with the spinach, you could also keep it. You could make a quiche, or you could make scrambled egg, like a omelette with it. And this is what I usually do when I do my green juice. I use the spinach or the greens first. Okay, it's going to be a little noisy. Just be aware. So this is what it looks like. Just going to put that in a container and save it for later. Yep. Look at that. Omelette, here I come. I'm going to put this back on, make sure everything is on properly. So these are all the rest of the ingredients that I'm going to need. So you have your ginger, your apple, your celery, your limes. You could cut it up because it's easier to get into your juicer, and then you slowly add it in. I'm also going to have a bottle so I could pour it into when it is full, because you don't want it to overflow. Again, it's going to be a little noisy. So I'm going to pour it into my container because it is getting too full for what the level is. Yep. Repeat. Yeah, you repeat until all the juice is blended. Okay, so watch and go on. Watch and see what I go on. All right. You're going to pour the last batch in. See, I almost have a full mug, which is up to here, which is pretty good. All green. Always make sure you unplug your equipment. And you're going to clean that out. Clean, clean, clean. And this is all the trash. Yeah, you don't need that. Okay, so now is the time to try it. Just give it a little swirl. Cheers. Very refreshing, and you can taste that ginger in the back of your throat. So it's good. So when I make them, then I just bottle them. So I have these bottles. So I'm just gonna pour it into it. Oopsies. Yep. Gonna need one more. Yep, just top them off. Okay, I'm gonna put the caps on them. Make sure it doesn't leak. Yep, no leakage. So out of all of that, I got 3 bottles. So you could take it to work and have it like for breakfast or before you work out, or well, that's what we do. And make them all week. So it lasts for us. Well, it doesn't last very long because drink it every day. Anyways, so this is green juice. If you need green juice, I could sell you some green juice and you could be like vitalized. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. And hopefully you could try it. If you try it, please leave me a message to let me know if you like it, how it tastes, if you put a little bit of too much of something, because ginger for me is never too much. It like the burn. It feels good. It's healthy for you. So try it. Let me know. Again, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you again on the next video. Thanks for watching.